Hi, Andrew Mazer from Mazer Wholesale with another self-adhesive floor tile installation tip. Around this time of year, it's winter time now, we get a lot of this same question. Can I install the garage floor tile in the cold weather? Now, the garage floor tile that we sell is really versatile, and temperature fluctuations don't affect the tile after it's installed. But for installation purposes, the surface of the floor should be at least 65 to 85 degrees. That's for installation. After the tile is installed and the adhesive is cured after a few days, then the temperature fluctuations don't matter. But adhesive does not like cold temperatures. You'll run into a problem with adhesion if your garage or your basement is colder than 65 degrees. So what I recommend is you either wait till the temperatures outside or inside, the air temperature is in the high 60s or higher, because the floor is always going to be colder than the air because it's on the ground and it's lower. So you want to wait until the air temperature is in the high 60s to mid 70s consistently before you apply the tile. Now, if you can heat the garage to a point where the floor is at least 65 degrees, that's still great, but you'll have to leave it that way for a few days until that adhesive really has a chance to set. After that, no problem. I live in New Jersey. My tile has been installed on that floor for 7.5 years at this point. You can see the video that I have from April. I think it was posted April 11th, and April in 2011. So that tile has been there for a solid 7.5 years. Every tile is still firmly in place. In New Jersey, we get very cold temperatures down into the single digits and very high temperatures. It can go over 100 degrees here with very high humidity. And those temperature fluctuations have not affected the tile. We sell the tile from New Jersey to Maine to Florida to California and everywhere in between. So I know from experience using the product, selling the product, the temperature fluctuations do not affect the tile, but you must have good adhesion during installation, and that means optimal temperatures for installation should be between 65 and 85 degrees. If it gets over 85 degrees, then the adhesive starts to get a little bit too liquidy and soupy. That's not a good scenario either. So I hope this information helped you. If you're thinking about installing the tile in the wintertime, either be patient till spring or get some really good heat flowing, get that air temperature up into the 70s so the floor temperature is at least 65. So I hope this information helped you. Check out our other adhesive floor tile installation videos. There's a lot of tips that I've given, at least a dozen or more videos that I have on our channel. Mazer Wholesale, we've been in business since 1986. We've been selling this brand of floor tile since about 2001. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment or check out mazerwholesale.com. We have quite a variety of tiles to choose from. And if there's any way I can help you, just please do reach out. Check out the website. If you want to buy some tile, we have quite a selection. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.